Hello beauties and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Desiree. So today I'm going to be creating a fall themed look with all my favorite fall colors. So I'm going to be using the Too Faced Papaya Pop palette, and I'm going to first go in with that mustard yellow shade in the palette. I'm going to put that right at my brow bone and kind of just diffuse it out towards the rest of my eye, like my crease area. And then I'm going to use the Fenty Beauty Snap Shadows. I'm going to use the Snap Shadow number 3. And I'm going to use the Burgundy Dark Maroon shade in the palette. And I'm going to start creating my my smoky eye, basically, is kind of what I'm creating here. So I focused that color mostly on the outer corners of my eye first, and then I take the rest of the color that's on the brush and go in towards the inner part of my eyebrow. And this style seems to work really well for me, and I just like the way it comes out. So I'm going to take a clean blending brush, the blue one that I had, and I just go and start blending everything in. And then I'm going to go in with a little bit more of that color. And now I'm going to go in with the Fenty Beauty Snap Shadow number 7. And I'm going to use the olive shade in the palette. And I really love this look because I love fall, okay? Your girl has been wearing fall looks since January, okay? So, but now I can finally, wear it and not look crazy. So I'm going in with the NARS All Day Luminous Foundation. And I used the Jelly Pop primer from e.l.f. As my primer. I did not show it in the video because it's pretty much my same kind of foundation routine. I'm going to be using the CoverGirl concealer, and that's in the shade Honey, as well as the L'Oreal Paris Infallible Full Wear Concealer in the shade Honey. And I keep my lighter brightening shade towards the inner corners of my eye, especially if you have deep set under eye, like dark circles. You want to keep the lighter shade on the inside and follow the direction of your deep circles. So now I'm going to put on this burgundy shade. I do not know where the lip color is from. I can't remember what brand it was, but I'm going to go in with the burgundy shade, and that is pretty much it for this look. For the rest of the face, I'm just really I put my powder on. I do some light bronzing as well as a little bit of like this like natural orange blush. I don't contour or anything like that too much. And yeah, guys, this is the final look. I hope you like it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more beauty looks. Mwah!